Hello, gentlemen. I am Dr. Jane Taylor, a urologist specialized in men's health for over 10 years, and today I want to talk to you about something simple that can completely transform your energy, circulation, and potency. Even if you're already past 60, 70, or even 80 years old. This video is for you who wake up without the same vitality as before, who feel your body no longer responds the way it used to, or who notice your intimate confidence has diminished over time. And before we start, do this. Leave your like comment where you're watching from. Turn on the notification bell. That way, YouTube understands this topic matters and starts delivering more men's health videos to you. Now let's get straight to the point. Most men believe the drop in potency is linked only to testosterone. But the truth is the biggest culprit is circulation, the way blood flows through arteries and microvessels in the body. With aging, these vessels become less flexible. Nitric oxide production decreases. Vascular walls stiffen. And when that happens, the most sensitive areas stop receiving adequate flow. And that's where your coffee comes in. Yes, that coffee you drink every day without much thought can be the worst or the best thing for your vitality. Plain coffee gives energy wakes, the brain activates metabolism, but alone, it doesn't solve the main problem, which is vascular. Now, when you add the right ingredients to coffee, you turn this drink into a daily, natural stimulus for blood flow, energy, testosterone, and male vitality. And why is coffee so special? When you wake up, your body is in startup mode. Your hormonal system is still adjusting. Circulation is starting to speed up. Metabolism is awakening. It's exactly in this moment, the first 30 to 60 minutes of the day, that the body absorbs certain bioactive compounds best. In other words, cinnamon acts faster, cocoa boosts nitric oxide. More maca improves energy and mood. Coconut oil becomes clean-fueled ginger, wakes up the entire circulation. Your coffee becomes the first beneficial intervention of the day. Over the years, I've seen men completely transform their mornings, disposition, and even intimate life just by adjusting this simple ritual. Let's be honest, no man likes to admit something has changed in his body. Some of my patients arrive at the office and say, "Doctor, I think it's over for me. My body doesn't respond anymore. I've lost confidence." And this doesn't just affect the physical, it affects the man inside. When vitality drops, feelings arise like insecurity, frustration, comparison with the past, fear of disappointing sense of lost identity. It's common, but it's not final. And one of the goals of this video is to make this clear. What you're experiencing is a transition, not an end. Your body still has energy, circulation, potency, and vitality. It just needs new support to function the way you deserve. 1. Cinnamon, the artery guardian. Ceylon cinnamon is rich in polyphenols that reduce damage in microscopic arteries, especially those that carry blood to the genital organs. These arteries are so thin, they're the first to suffer from high sugar pressure inflammation, sedentary lifestyle. Without proper flow, there is no proper response. Cinnamon protects these arteries and improves flow. It's simple, cheap, and natural. Use 1.4 teaspoon in coffee. 2. Pure cocoa, the nitric oxide accelerator. Cocoa is one of the most studied foods in the world for its relation to vasodilation. Its flavonoids increase nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels, increases flow, improves intimate response, reduces vascular pressure, optimizes tissue oxygenation, and you also gain more energy, more stable mood, sense of well-being. Use 1 teaspoon in coffee. 3. Peruvian maca, the hormonal strengthener. Maca doesn't force the body. It's not an artificial stimulant. It restores hormonal balance naturally. Helps with energy, stamina, mood, libido, overall, vitality. Types: yellow maca, general balance, red maca, prostate, black maca, potency, and energy. Use: 1 teaspoon 3 to 4 times a week. 4. Coconut oil. Fuel for testosterone. Men with diets low in good fats usually have lower testosterone. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that turn into energy almost instantly, stabilize mood, improve disposition, help the body produce sex hormones. Use 1 teaspoon in blended coffee. 5. Ginger, the circulation turbo. Ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and protects testicular function, essential for male vitality. Studies show daily use can improve testosterone levels, improve sperm motility, increase vascular quality. Use: fresh grated ginger or 1/4 teaspoon of powder. How to introduce without mistakes. Week 1, cinnamon. Week 2, cinnamon plus cocoa. Week 3, cinnamon plus cocoa plus maca. Week 4, coconut oil or ginger. This gradual introduction avoids digestive discomfort and increases absorption. I always tell my patients potency starts in the morning. And I'm not just talking about morning erections. I'm talking about vital energy. The feeling that the body is alive, awake, strong. Your morning routine influences circulation, blood pressure, energy, mood, hormonal system, erection, quality, confidence. When you use your coffee as a tool, you create a powerful ritual. Ricardo, 62 years old, arrived saying, "Doctor, my mornings are dead." After 3 weeks with adjusted coffee, woke up more energized, returned to training, felt less fatigue, reported spontaneous, intimate improvement. Eduardo, 71 years old, said he no longer believed in anything. After combining cocoa and ginger in coffee, energy returned, circulation improved, morning erections reappeared. Little old man of 80 years, yes, 80, just with cinnamon and maca already reported, "I feel my body again." Gentlemen, decline is not definitive. Your body hasn't shut down. It's just running in economy mode. And this video is your wake-up call to switch back to full power. Tomorrow morning, when preparing your coffee, choose 1 ingredient, add it. Drink mindfully, observe your energy throughout the day. Then come back here and tell me. I want to know which ingredient you chose. If this video brought clarity or hope, subscribe to the Male Secret 60+ channel. Here we talk openly, honestly, and without taboo about everything that truly matters for men's health after 60. Share this video with a friend. You might change someone's day or life. And remember, vitality can be reignited. Your body still responds. Every morning is a new opportunity. I am Dr. Jane Taylor. See you in the next video.